man. Welcome back, guys. How's everybody doing? Yes, guys, I just made a trip out to Advanced Auto, okay? I found the stud extractor, but I don't think that's gonna work out for me simply because the clearance I have up top. Alright, but I still went ahead and got it just to see. I may be able to use it, but let's talk for a minute, guys. Y'all know this broke. Y'all know the history on that, what happened and how it broke. But let me explain a couple things, guys. You guys are hilarious on the comments, okay? Number one, let me clarify something, okay? Paul Joe made this comment, so let me clarify something, guys. First of all, let me tell y'all at least one. Okay, now there's many goals of a content creator, but here's one. One goal of a content creator is to create viewable content, okay? A video that somebody would watch, all right? As far as somebody embarrassing themselves, yeah, I don't know if y'all know me that well, but I don't care. Not that I don't care, is that I have thick skin, and no, not even that. I don't know how to explain that part, but in other words, I'm not interested, or I don't even know how to explain it. But no. Embarrassing myself, nah. Yes, okay, but for that matter, one of the goals of a content creator is to create content. Okay, whether that creator embarrass himself or not is likely irrelevant to the content creator. It depends on his goals and his what he's trying to do. Now, another thing, guys. Yes, I am aware of how what direction a boat goes in and comes out. Okay, now what you saw on that video was a terribly cropped piece of video footage. Okay, that was a camera crop issue. All right, it appeared that I was tightening it. Okay, and some speculated that it snapped because I was going the wrong way. No, I was going off. Okay, I was turning it off, but that footage, I went back and looked at that footage. It did appear that I was going the wrong way. All right, here's the broke boat. So now the reason I was banging on this part was just to clear, because it's a 6-point nut, so I couldn't get a good socket on there with this part in the way, so I had to beat that out of the way so I can get a good socket on it and turn it. Well, in the process of turning it, it decided to snap. But yeah, let me clarify that. Yes, I was turning it the right way. When I got ready to edit that piece of footage, I forgot I had the camera cropped. But I was supposed to correct that in post or during editing, and I forgot. But that video was already up and running before I realized, and it had already had like 50 views before I was gonna take it down and fix it. But nah, I just had to explain to you guys. So no, I'm not illiterate. That's not funny. All right, and no, I'm not. Now, it was a third thing. I can't remember what it was. But yeah, y'all saw my trip to Advanced Auto. Now, as far as I'm gonna. Oh my goodness! I read some of the comments. Real good advice. I have done this repair once long time ago. The last one I did, I got lucky and got it out. So I'm gonna remove the fan. Yes, by removing the fan, that will give me access straight down to the boat. And I need a stud extractor of some sort. I'm gonna heat this up with a torch. Get it red hot. Heat it up and. Okay, my camera just died. My battery died. So, guys, let me take a break. Let me charge this up. When I get back, we're going to finish this discussion. All right, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Now, I had to let the van down. But, guys, remember I had to charge my battery up. The last point I was trying to make was, you got to understand when I'm talking to coworkers, they feel kind of authoritative if I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about. In other words, I can keep them talking if I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about. If I sound like I don't know. So if you hear me say some questionable, like, oh my goodness, JT, you didn't know that? Guys, just please be advised that that's a strategy I employ to get some people to keep talking. Okay, if you come off as Mr. Know-it-all, you already know everything. Yes, you're not gonna get true statements out of people. You're not gonna get the statements you want out of people. So When I go to used cars, I gotta act totally like I am a idiot. And in some cases, that's easy for me to pull off. Now, back to business, man. JT. All right, let me stay focused. Guys, remember I told y'all I'm gonna try a new tactic. I got the fan out, right? Reason I took the fan out was to gain access to straight shot right there, guys. Now, let me show y'all some of the tools. Y'all saw me go get the tool from Advanced Auto. All right, I'm at a dilemma. I'm at another stopping point. Let me show y'all what I got here. All right, so here's the tool I went and got. It looks great in the store. It looks like it would pull it out, right? You just stick that on the broken head and start turning once you heat it up, right? Well, unfortunately, this is too wide for that hole. I'm gonna zoom in on that stud. All right, so this will not sit in there and get me a bite. Yeah, it's too wide, and I don't even want to open it because I may have a hard time taking it back if it's open and appear used. So plan B turned out to be a flop too. I went and got my buddy extractor kit. I don't know who make this, but it is nice. All right, yes guys, 4 different sizes depending on the size bolt you're trying to extract. All right, yes, do one fit. Here's the broken stud. Out of all of these, one fit. And you think, oh yeah, I'm home free. You put it on there, start turning it, and it gets a nice good bite on the thread or whatever you're trying to extract, and it just start turning everything. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. I got it. Oh my god, I'm gonna heat that thread up, put this on there, and simply turn. However, guys, let me show y'all. Now this is the one that fits on here. Show y'all the problem I ran into. You guessed it. Some of y'all already know where I'm going with this. Engineers didn't give me enough round space to set that in there. So I'm going, no! All right, JT, think fast, think fast. I do think fast. And what do? I'm going to try to force the next size down on there. It barely touches and bite, but I figure I just pay my buddy for this kit and bang on this and get a good bite and simply extract it. All right, let's try this one. And ladies and gentlemen, the next side down, it's the same dilemma. Oh my goodness, I can't catch a break. What did I do wrong coming up? All right, so now I'm at a stopping point, right? Sure, the very next size down will likely fit in there, but look how small that is. I can't even get on the tip of that, all right? So, yes. If this was fit on that stud, I can get all the way down on it. But I'm sure you would take away some of the biting force if it was any, or if it was small, or if it would fit that stud. This would be perfect, guys. Unfortunately, it won't go down in there. So I'm at another dilemma, and I can't make these videos dilemma-ish. So what do you do, JT? Now, I measured the size of this, guys. This is like an 11 millimeter maybe. It's not a 10, but you can. So I'm gonna try a 12.11 millimeter and just bang it on there, just so I can get a real good bite. The thread should be easy once I heat them up, but that wouldn't work. Okay, so this is just gonna be a what they call those a drama field video. Matter of fact, I got the drama field music playing in the background. I'm stuck. This is a boat that came off to that other one. Y'all remember that? Watch this video right here. I got this one out whole. It's bent, but I managed to get it out whole. So I can't reuse this because, number one, because it's bent. These are $58. This is the one that broke off in the car. This would be a perfect drive. However, it won't fit in the hole. All right, guys. I know y'all gonna kill me for this, but I'm about to end this video. Y'all know my videos can't go long. I don't like it when that happens. I'm about to make another trip to, I'm gonna try another parts store. All right, well, number one, this one going back. Where it is? I'm glad I didn't open it. It wouldn't fit down in that hole. This would have been great if I had a lot of room to work with. This would have been all I needed personally. So, wow, we're gonna be up to part 3 next. All right, so all I can say is stay tuned, guys. I gotta end this video. All right, I'm about to make another run to the parts store. And but this coming out. I have no choice. Let me tell y'all what happened. The managers told the customer, called the customer, look, man. He explained it to him, sent her pictures. She go, oh my God, really? I don't remember hitting nothing. Okay. Well, he managed to squeeze 3 hours labor out of it. So now, you know how managers are. They money hungry. I got 3 hours out of the customer to get that fixed. And I don't know if he applied any of that to the actual bracket. Okay, but we'll see. But I've been told, whatever you do, just get it out, make it work. So my image is at stake here, guys. I can't make my manager look bad, so I gotta figure out. I'm going to get it out. All right, this video may come off as drama filled. YouTube, I gotta go. I'll tell y'all what. Stay tuned for part 3, guys. I'll be right back. Let me make a trip. I'm gonna have the camera running, so we'll see. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.